Hi, I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I show you how to paint a wet landscape painting in oil. Bora vacation. Enjoy! So I've covered the canvas with a thin layer of white paint, thinned down with some oil and liquid. And using phthalo blue, I'm making some X marks in the hope of a sky, leaving some spaces for the indication of some cloudiness. And here's some light green, prominent green in my color series, and that will be the water. So we're making sure to make this very straight across. And this is not a boring vacation, it's a vacation in Bora, a beautiful place. Here are some rocks on the side, and we'll just use very little paint for that, trying to keep it as thin as possible, a thin covering. And now we'll cover it with some grassy areas. This is apparently a very nice vacation spot with beautiful beaches and scenery. So that grass, bushes or shrubs, whatever that is, it's not going to go all the way down. We'll leave some space in the bottom to show the bottom of this rock, the layers of sand over there. And we're going to just put a streak of yellow and Indian red to show those layers of rock. And we'll make the horizon. And now for some sand. Here we're using yellow ochre, and we're just tapping it in, moving from the opposite side towards the water, and coming to almost touch the edge of the blue of the water. And as we come towards the front of the painting, the hill turns downwards, so our brush does as well, to show that the land is shaped thus. And now for some ocean waves. We'll take our fan brush and dip it in a lot of thin white paint and make some lines coming towards the shore, and then tap with the brush to make that edge of the wave. So we'll make like lines, streaks, and then tap the brush in every so often for these waves. And as we come towards over the sand, we'll overlap the water on top of the sand. And now using the palette knife and some dark brown, we'll put in some rocks over here on the shore. This was like a whole rocky area, and the sand in that area was also darker. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like and subscribe. We have many landscape tutorials. So I'll just spread out this dark color with a big brush to make this dark colored sand on the beach between the rocks. And now this area up here in the front, this is where we'll put our palm trees. So we'll first cover the area with some dark brown. And now we'll go in with a wide flat brush. Make those trunks. And these palm trees are not, they're not like buried in the ground. The roots are very much out. Maybe it's because of erosion, soil erosion. They're planted in a sandy area that gets washed, and eventually the roots just show out of the ground. But that's what it is, many large roots, and they're protruding out of the ground. So for those palm branches, we'll use the fan brush, and that will give us a nice shape of the leaves. So it's blowing in the wind in one direction. And we'll highlight that over that with a bright green color using some phthalo green. And over here behind the trees, we'll just put some bushy areas with alternating colors of yellow and green paint. And we'll scratch out some small branches and twigs. And using a liner brush with some down brown paint, you can draw some more of those roots and trunks for those bushes in the back.